That's earningwaves.com telling us how to approach the market now, which, by the way, has been under pressure, down about 77 odd points. But let's get a quick handle on what's happening in the world of commodities. Manisha Gupta is with us. Manisha, good morning. What's the one commodity that you're looking at today?
Well, I'm looking at the whole segment, which is the soft commodities, where we have seen prices gain. Now, you know, Sonia, we barely or rarely talk about monsoons after the month of September, but October is pushing us to do that because the kind of rainfall that we've seen in the first 10 days of October clearly is way higher. Clearly, the base, of course, is on the lower side, but what we've done until now is we've seen 48% more rains between the first 10 days of October. This is the subdivision breakdown here, where you've seen the maximum rains actually happen in the northwest. Maharashtra, Gujarat and adjoining areas have seen 191% rain higher than normal in the month of October until now, with the expectation that until 15th of October you could be looking at higher rains. 65% more rains in central India as well, where UP, MP, Jharkhand, most of these deficient states really seem to be taking it to the chin, because, you know, to begin with, we saw deficient rains. It was a delayed rainfall. It was delayed sowing as well. And now you have standing crop where there is so much rainfall happening, and many of these fields are flooded and markets are staring at some losses when it comes to crops as well. This is what we've done between June and September. The rainfall this year has been 6.5% higher than normal, and we've seen maximum rains here as well come in case of central India, 19% higher there. Southern Peninsula is clearly on 22% on the higher side as well. So good rains is what we've seen. Deficient, of course, when it comes to east and northeast and northwest, where just about a percentage point higher than the normal there. This is what India has done in sense of rainfall on a month-on-month basis as well. We all were talking about on how June started delayed and the rainfall wasn't enough, and that is the reason you had delayed sowing as well. But the rainfall picked up quite strongly in the month of July. August and September have been above 100 as well. And for the month of October, the expectation is, then this is the one coming in from IMD, that we are looking at 115% of rainfall, so which is 15% higher than the normal there as well. So higher rains is what we are looking at in UP and major producing areas as well. So when you look at UP itself, for the month of October, the rainfall has been 500% higher than normal. And you have paddy sowing, which was 6% less than last year. Paddy prices have continued to rein up as well, and the markets are staring at losses. The assessments have yet to come in, but the expectation is that whether it's about cotton, where you have a standing crop, or soybean, or pulses, all of these perhaps will see some hit there. Heavy rainfalls are seeing in MP, West Bengal, Haryana and Rajasthan as well. I also want to get on screen on what we've done in last 1 week in sense of many of these commodity prices, and that has been quite a bit of a run up there. Wheat prices have gained up by 3.5%. Max gains coming in for palm oil, up by 10.6% in the last 1 week itself. Sugar is up 6%. You have corn. Everything in agriculture commodities trading on the higher side in last 1 week itself, thanks to the weather.
Okay, Manisha, thanks a lot for that. Let's slip into a quick break. Lots more coming up on the other side, so do stay tuned in.